Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine, very good. Utsav, please mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody put your cameras on. So, children, what for today? What shall we do for today? Yes.
Ma'am, games.
Game. Again, game. We can't play game daily, no? We have to study also a little.
Ma'am, study game.
Study game. What is that study game? Hmm? So less students are there today in the class. Only 5 students. Puzzles.
Puzzle. Yes, ma'am.
Puzzles. Okay. So are you going to ask me any puzzle or I shall ask you?
Ma'am, you can ask.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, when there is a farm, the farmer has 2 legs. The chickens are, and there are 4 chickens, 2 horses, and then how many foots are there?
I didn't get your question. Say it once again.
Ma'am, there is a farmer in his farm. There is 4 horses, 2 chickens,
Ma'am.
and he.
Four
then-
horses, 2 chickens, and
he.
he is
Ma'am,
there.
and farmer himself. Ma'am, then how many foots are there?
14.
How many feet are there?
Ma'am, foots. Ma'am, feet. And
Feet.
feet.
How many feet are there? According to me, there should be 22.
Ma'am, wrong.
Why?
Ma'am, there are only 2 because the chickens have claws. The horse
bad.
have hooves.
That's very bad.
Then what we are doing?
So there are only 2 feet. We are doing nothing, Anshuman. Now we will do. We will start our reading session. Is there anybody else who wants to ask any other puzzle? Huh? Is there anybody? No. All right. So let's do the reading session. Everybody get ready with your books.
Ma'am, which chapter?
15
15. Ma'am, 15.
or 15th we have already done. We have already done 15th chapter. Let's do 16th today.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we do 16 chapters.
Who is this? Dave, please put. Yes, beta. Dave, do one thing. You type in the chat box because your voice is not clear. Yes, everybody take out page number
102.
Ma'am, 102.
Yes, 102. 102. Let's start with Ashvik Agarwal. Yes.
Done. The northern plains of India extend from the south of the Himalayas
No,
to the
you don't. You should not read like this. Read from the beginning, beta. Chapter 16. Call out the name of the chapter. Now start.
Chapter 16, the northern plains and the desert region. Ketam, northern plains, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Punjab, Delhi, Bihar. The northern plains of India extend from the south of the Himalayas to the north of the Deccan Plateau. This region, drained by many important rivers that originate in the Himalayas, the Ganga, which is the largest river in India, along with its tributaries, flows through the northern plains. The other rivers are Brahmaputra, the Indus, and their tributaries. The plains are made of fertile alluvial soil. The fertile soil of the northern plains is ideal for the civilization of wheat and rice. Therefore, the northern plains are also known as the food bowl of India. Importance of the northern plains. The
That's
plains
all. That's
are
all. That's all.
okay.
That's all. So one more child. Let's say it'll be Adrika. Adrika Single. You are going to read the same paragraph, beta.
Okay, ma'am. 16th chapter, the northern plains and desert region. The northern plains of India extend from the south of the Himalayas to the north of the Deccan Plateau. The region drained by many important rivers that originate in the Himalayas. The Ganga, which is the largest river in India, along with its tributaries, flows through the northern plains. The other rivers are Brahmaputra and Indus and their tributaries. The plains are made of fertile alluvial soil. The fertile soil of the northern plains is ideal for the cultivation of wheat and rice. Therefore, northern plains are also known as the food bowl of India.
Very nice. Very good reading. Next. Next is no. Next is Anshuman Gangwar. No, before Anshuman. Beta, wait. Before Anshuman, it's Abhimanyu's turn first. Abhimanyu, you will read.
Can I read?
Yes, Abhimanyu. Importance of the northern plains.
Importance of the northern plains. The plains are made of fertile alluvial soil which is good for the cultivation of crops. Hence, this region is densely populated. The northern plains receive an adequate amount of rainfall which makes the rivers perennial. The rivers of the northern plains are navigable, therefore they are used as inland waterways. The flatness of the northern plains makes it ideal for agriculture and irrigation. The northern plains have some of the most thickly populated states of India such as Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Let us now learn about some of the states of India in the northern plains.
That's all, beta. That's all. Very nice, Abhimanyu. Good reading. Now it's Anshuman's turn. Anshuman, unmute yourself and start reading.
Ma'am, I have read that. So
Yes, the same. Importance of the northern plains. The same para.
Importance of the northern plains. The plains are made of fertile alluvial soil which is good for the cultivation of crops. Hence, this region is densely populated. The northern plains receive an adequate amount of rainfall, which makes the river perennial. The rivers of the northern are navigable, therefore, they are used as inland waterways. Flatlands of the northern plains makes it ideal for agriculture and irrigation. The northern plains have some of the most thickly populated states of India, such as Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Bengal. Let us now learn about some of the states of India in the northern plains.
That's
I'm
all.
done.
That's all. Good. It is now Agrim's turn. Agrim Verma has read. Agrim Verma. Agrim Verma seems to be missing from the class. Okay. Then after letter A, we have Dev Arya. Dev, are you there? Dev also seems to be missing. Then let's come on to Kushagra. No, before Kushagra, we have Gunagya
Dev is
also.
there. Ma'am, Dev is there.
Beta, Dev is there only by his name, like Agrim Verma. They are not responding. They're not responding now. Kushagra has got some major network issue. Can you listen to him carefully?
No, ma'am.
Even Dev Arya's voice is doubling. Right?
I say I am here.
Dev Arya is saying, I'm here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you all listen to Dev Arya clearly?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No?
And Dev Arya left.
Dev Arya left. Kushagra also left. Now we have Gunagya. Gunagya is here in the class,
No, ma'am. Gunagya is not here.
but I can see a name there. Gunagya. Yes,
And
but
Gunagya
he's
is not connected to audio.
okay. So, asked to start video. All right. Then let's move on to Jayesh. Jayesh, I think, has just joined. Jayesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Then first Kiram, then I.
Okay, Iram. Yes. Before Jayesh, it's Iram's turn. Sorry, Iram, I missed you. Okay.
Ma'am, what do you have to do?
Beta, we are reading out chapter 16, page number 103.
Okay, ma'am.
But it's Iram's turns. You mute yourself. Let her read, and after her, it's your turn. Yes, Iram, begin.
The states of the northern plains, Punjab. Punjab is a state situated in the northwestern part of India. Punjab was separated from Haryana in 1966. Chandigarh is their common capital. The word Punjab means the land of 5 rivers. The rivers Ravi, Sutlej and Beas flow through the state. Chenab and Jhelum do not flow through the Indian part of the Punjab province. The climate in Punjab is very cold in winter and very hot and dry in summer. The soil is fertile and such as wheat, rice, sugarcane and mustard grow here. Agriculture, dairy farming and poultry farming are important occupation of the people in Punjab. सरसों का साग with मक्की की रोटी and paratha with white butter and lassi. Festivals celebrated here. The important cities of Punjab, Ludhiana, Amritsar and Jalandhar. The famous temple is situated in Amritsar. Most people living in Punjab speak Punjabi. Bhangra and Gidda are some of the famous dances that originate with traditional embroidery of Punjab.
Very nice. Very good. Now, Jayesh, you have to read the same paragraph, beta. The same state. Jayesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out.
Punjab is a state situated in the northeastern part of India. Punjab was separated from Haryana in 1966. Chandigarh is their common capital. The word Punjab means a land of five rivers. A river Ravi, Sutlej, and Beach flow through the state. Chenab and Jhelum do not flow through the Indian part of the Punjab province. The climate in Punjab is very cold in winter and very hot and dry in summer. The soil is fertile and many crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and mustard grow here. Agriculture, dairy farming, and poultry farming are important occupation of the people in Punjab. Some of the most delicious food items of Punjab are sarson ka saag with makke ki roti and paratha with white butter and lassi. Baisakhi and Lohri are important festivals celebrated here. The important cities of Punjab are Ludhiana, Amritsar, and Jalandhar. The famous Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar. Most people living in Punjab speak Punjabi, Bhangra, and Gidda are some of the famous dance and or- organized in Punjab. Fulkari is a traditional embroidery of Punjab.
Very nice. Now, who is the next one to read? It's Lakshita. Lakshita will be the next one. Beta, Iram, you already got your turn. You okay? What do you want to ask?
Ma'am, you had said many days ago that we have to make Punjab state details. So, ma'am, when we will do,
After exam.
You did not give me your. You did not send me any messages. Only you did not tell me what topic you chose. So many of you.
Ma'am, I have sent.
I have sent.
Okay, those who have sent, very good. Now I'll announce this thing once again. After your exams, we'll do it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, after exams.
Yes, Adrika?
Ma'am, we have to also read the Factpedia.
The Factpedia we'll read in the end. It's very interesting. We are going to read it in the end. All right. Now, the state of Haryana. It's Lakshita's turn.
Haryana in the central region of India, land flat and it has dry climate. Summer
Lakshita, we
being
cannot hear
hot
you, beta. Be a
and
little louder.
okay, ma'am. Haryana is a state in the central region of India. The land here is flat and fertile. It has dry, hot climate, summer being hot and winters being cold. Many canals have been built to bring water from the rivers to irrigate the land. The main crops grow here are wheat, rice, and cotton.
Ma'am, Lakshita has left.
Yes, Lakshita has left. Now, who will get this chance?
Ma'am, I.
Lakshita has joined back. No, Lakshita is there. Shh. Lakshita has joined back. Lakshita, beta, continue.
Okay. Corn and potatoes. There are many important cities and towns in Haryana. Gurugram, an important industrial hub. of India is situated in this state. Other places of importance are Faridabad, which is an industrial town, Ambala and Karnal, Kurukshetra and Panipat are the places of historical importance and attract many tourists. The main occupation of people in Haryana is agriculture. The other industries are farm, matches, and tractor manufacturing, cotton and sugar industries. Haryana also famous for its dairy products.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay. Now whose turn is it? It is Saif Ali's turn. Saif.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read out the same thing. Haryana.
Haryana. Haryana is the state in the northern central region of India. The land here is flat and fertile. It has dry, hot climate, summer being hot and winter being cold. Many canals have been built to bring water from different rivers to irrigate the land. The main crop grown here are wheat, rice, and cotton. The state also produces sugarcane, mustard seed, corns, and potato. There are many important cities and the town in Haryana. Gurugram, which is an important industrial hub of India, is situated in this state. Other places of importance are Faridabad, which is an industrial town, Ambala and the Karnal, uh, Kurukshetra and Panipat are a place of historical importance and and attract many tourists. The main occupation of the people in Haryana is agriculture. Other industries are farm machine and tractor manufacturing, cotton and sugar industries. Haryana is also famous for its dairy products.
Okay. Haryana is also famous for its dairy products. Then, next, whose turn? All have read. Utsav is left. Utsav. Utsav is going to read about our capital.
I am left.
Kushagra is left. Agrim Verma
Yes,
is also
ma'am.
left. Kushagra, is now your internet connection stable?
Not speak.
Yes. We called out Agrim's name, but Agrim did not respond. Kushagra, your connection is fine, beta? Because a few minutes back we were not being able to listen to you very clearly. Speak something. Yes? Beta. Children, is Kushag clearly audible to all of you?
No, ma'am.
Not at all now.
No, ma'am, he is not clear.
Not at all clear, beta Kushag. Your internet connection is really not good. So let's have Utsav. Utsav, you read.
Okay, ma'am. Delhi, the national capital territory in city of Delhi is bounded by
Wait, Kushag, wait.
yes, ma'am. In the northwest and south and Uttar Pradesh in the east. New Delhi is the national capital of India. It is located
What, Anshuman?
It will take much time because it is of 22 lines.
Okay, no problem.
It is located in north central India. It is a part of National Capital Region NCR, which also comprises some parts of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Delhi is both our union territory and state. It is governed by a lieutenant governor, who is assisted by the chief minister. There are many important offices in and around Delhi. A large number of people from the other states of India go there to live and work. Many monuments attract tourists from all over the world to Delhi. Some of these important historical places are Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Humayun's tomb, Rajghat, Jantar Mantar, Jama Masjid, and the Akshardham Temple. The President and the Prime Minister of India live in New Delhi. The President lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Prime Minister and his cabinet of ministers meet in the Parliament House or Sansad Bhavan. Delhi has some of India's most important educational institutions, such as Jamia Millia Islamia, University of Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru University, National School of Drama, All University, IGNOU. Delhi experiences an extreme climate which is very hot in summers and cold in winter. Wheat and many other vegetables are grown here. Hindi is the dominant language in Delhi. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, your audio is muted.
Yes, very good, very nice. You got the longest paragraph to read, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So with that, we finish this Delhi also, and we finish what? All the students of the class, all the readers. We are left with no reader now. So what we'll do? We are going
Ma'am?
to. Yes. Yes, Dev and Kushag are left. Agrim Verma. Now, Agrim Verma, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I was waiting to read Delhi. Ma'am, because I know I will read Delhi.
Very nice. Very good. Okay, Agrim Verma, are you there?
yes, ma'am.
Beta, put your video on and then start reading Delhi.
The National Capital Territory (NCT) of Delhi is bounded by Haryana in the northwest and south and Uttar Pradesh in the east. New Delhi is the national capital of India. It is located in north central India. It is a part of the National Capital Region (NCR), which also comprise some parts of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Delhi is both a union territory and a state. It is governed by a lieutenant governor who is assisted by a chief minister. There are many important offices in and around Delhi. A large number of people from the other states of India go there to live and work. Many monuments attract tourists from all over the world to Delhi. Some of these important historical places are Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Humayun's tomb, Rajghat, Jantar Mantar, Jama Masjid, and the Akshardham Temple. The President and the Prime Minister of India live in New Delhi. The President lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Prime Minister and his cabinet of ministers meet in the Parliament House or Sansad Bhavan. Delhi has some of India's most famous educational institutions such as Jamia Millia Islamia University of Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru University, National School of Drama, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, and the Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU. Delhi expresses as extreme climate, which is very hot in summer and cold in winter. Wheat and many other vegetables are grown here. Hindi is the dominant language in Delhi.
All right. So now, children, you all have got your chance one time. Right? Each one of you has got your turn. Now let's play a game. I'm going to call out anybody's name and you have to start reading. Okay? You will read.
Ma'am, from where?
I will tell you. Suppose I now call out Iram Naz will start to read. Okay, she will start reading.
Ma'am,
Uttar
one
Pradesh.
reading.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have one very interesting reading game.
What?
Ma'am, we will make two teams, and ma'am, which team will read best? It will be won.
No. It is an individual game. No teamwork is here. Now suppose Iram Naz is reading Uttar Pradesh. Okay? I will immediately tell her to stop and call out any other name, and that particular child has to begin. If he doesn't know or if he starts with the wrong word, he is out. Okay? And you will just read out 2-3 lines, not more. Everybody, I'll call out everyone's name very quickly. Okay, so let's begin with Iram. Iram, start reading Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India. It is also the fourth largest state of India. Lucknow is its capital. The state has many rivers flowing through it, namely the Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Betwa, and Chambal. The climate in Uttar
Anshuman.
Pradesh
Anshuman will read.
is generally warm with the rainy season lasting from June to September. The land here is flat and fertile and hence produces crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and maize.
Abhimanyu
The state
Srivastav.
also-
Abhimanyu Srivastav. Abhimanyu is not there.
Ma'am, I was correct.
Yes, you
Ma'am,
are absolutely correct.
Ma'am, is my now connection okay?
Yes, speak something.
Ma'am, is my connection
No,
okay?
beta, it's not fine. Your connection is still not fine.
Okay.
Adrika Singhal will read now.
Ma'am, I am It also produces a delicious variety of mangoes known as
Ma'am, this is wrong.
Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities
Okay, Adrika.
of Uttar
Adrika, wait. Where did Anshuman stop?
Pradesh.
Okay, but you did not complete the line. But still, I won't count you wrong. He was on
Ma'am,
the
this is cheating.
Yes?
Ma'am, this is the cheating.
No, this is not cheating, beta. She started right like the next line. Right from the next line. Where, okay, you tell Utsav. Where did Anshuman stop?
Ma'am, the state.
So she also started from here only.
Yes, ma'am.
She is absolutely correct. Yes.
Ma'am, she say the state also produces come to Agra and Kanpur.
Ma'am, so he has to read from also.
No, ma'am, I
This is
didn't.
fine. This is fine. This is fine.
And
This
this is
is
correct.
yes, this is acceptable.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
continue. Adrika, continue.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have gone to stick the lights at my school for Diwali. So can you tell me where we are?
You want to stick the lights for Diwali in between the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Even my decoration, the decoration of my house is also left.
Ma'am, I have got many
I should also
candles.
go in between to decorate, Abhimanyu.
No, ma'am.
Then, beta, is this the time? At least wait for those 15 minutes break. Now wait, Abhimanyu, you need to wait now. Adrika, continue.
the famous Taj Mahal is situated in Agra and it attracts tourists from all over the world. Kanpur is famous for the textile, chemicals, leather and engineering industry.
Lakshita Gangwar. Lakshita Gangwar will read. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Hindi and Urdu are the
Very good.
dominant languages of Uttar Pradesh. Kathak, a famous classical dance, originated in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for its handicrafts such as silk sarees, the brocade designs of Varanasi,
Devarya.
chicken,
Unmute yourself.
the brocade design of Varanasi, chicken, embroidery of Lucknow, carpentry in Shahjahanpur, and bass work of Mohammedabad, Bihar. Bihar lies in the east part of India. It is bordered by Nepal to the north, West Bengal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the west, and Jharkhand in the south. Patna is the capital of Bihar in 2000. A new state
Abhimanyu
called
Srivastav. Abhimanyu Srivastav.
Ma'am, where we are reading?
That was the game, Abhimanyu. This was the only game that you don't have to miss where we are reading, and I will call out anybody's name in between, and that boy or girl, that student has to pick what he has to read. Okay. Anshuman will tell.
A new state called Jharkhand was carved out of the southern parts of Bihar. The major rivers flowing through the state are Ganga, Gandak, Kosi, and Son.
Okay,
Bihar
wait.
has three main rivers.
Abhimanyu, have you found out where we are? We are on page number 105 on Bihar. And we are
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
last second line.
Yes,
Yes, Anshuman, continue.
Main season, summer, monsoon, and winter. As the state has many rivers, the fertile soil is used for the cultivation of crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Rice, pulses, and vegetables form the staple food of Bihar. Litti Chokha is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. Bihar is
Rachit
famous.
Singh. Rachit Singh, are you there in the class? Rachit seems to be missing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Rachit is in hospital. I thought, ma'am,
No, ma'am, he is discharged.
What happened to Rachit?
Ma'am, his liver has failed.
liver operation.